Hello, creative people, and welcome back to FeatherFlairArt. I'm Zoe, and today we have something special in store for you. We'll be diving into the world of design and showing you how to customize our popular summer retro paper pack that comes in a pack of 12 from our Etsy shop using Canva. Now, traditionally, we've offered pre-made paper packs, but we've been listening to our amazing audience. Many of you wanted the flexibility to change the colors to suit your unique projects. Well, guess what? We've made it happen. With our Canva digital paper templates, you have the power to switch up the colors to your heart's content. These templates are designed specifically for color adjustments and are not Canva frames. They are digital papers created to make changing colors a breeze. So without further ado, let's jump right into Canva, and I'll show you exactly how to make those color transformations happen. Let's look at this first paper design that is the groovy checker pattern. When you click on the paper, it will show two boxes on the left-hand side corner. That's where you'll be able to change the color. You can only do two color change. For the second paper, it'll be the same. This third pattern that is the starburst design, you will have 4-color option to change. You click on the paper and you'll see 4 boxes appear on the left-hand side corner. Click each box to change to the color you wanted. The fourth pattern is the same. It has 4-color option to change as well. For this next pattern, I will show you another way to change color instead of clicking each individual boxes from the previous pattern. We'll go to the tab on the left-hand side and click on Design, then click on Style. Once you're in Style, you can click on the color palette, and Canva will recolor for you using the color palette you provided. This color scheme was put together by me, and you can do the same too by picking your own color and saving it as a swatch, so you can have Canva randomly change the color of the paper based on your color palette. With this, you cannot control which color go where because it is randomized by Canva. The rest of the design in this paper pack has 4 color options to change, so you can choose to use the first method I've shown you by clicking on each individual box to change the color, or use this second method by creating your color palette first and using Canva style to select your color. I hope that this tutorial is helpful to you and shown you how easily it is to change color using our summer retro digital paper template in Canva. Please read our term and condition on what you can and cannot do with these digital papers. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.